In today's industrial world, reliability is everything. Whether you're monitoring levels, controlling flow, handling corrosive chemicals, or managing critical process systems, precision and performance matter. For over 4 decades, PVL has been helping engineers specify, source, and support industry-leading process control and plastic piping solutions throughout the UK and beyond. PVL offers one of the UK's most comprehensive ranges of industrial plastic piping products, from PVCU and CPVC systems to advanced PVDF and polypropylene solutions. PVL supplies high-performance products designed to withstand aggressive chemicals, harsh environments, and demanding industrial applications. Their extensive range includes valves, fittings, pipes, filters, and specialist process components used across water treatment, chemical manufacturing, food production, pharmaceutical processing, and many other sectors. Accurate measurement is essential for operational efficiency. PVL provides advanced flow measurement technologies, including magnetic flow meters, paddle wheel systems, ultrasonic devices, and programmable flow monitoring solutions. These technologies help engineers improve process visibility, optimize performance, and reduce costly downtime. Whether monitoring water, chemicals, or specialist fluids, PVL delivers dependable measurement solutions for modern industry. PVL's liquid-level monitoring solutions are trusted throughout industry. Their range includes submersible level sensors, float valves, and high-performance liquid-level switches, designed for corrosive, high-pressure, and challenging environments. These systems provide reliable monitoring and control, where accuracy and durability are essential. From water treatment plants to chemical storage facilities, PVL helps engineers maintain complete confidence in their processes. What truly sets PVL apart is technical expertise. Their experienced team works closely with customers to specify the right products for every application, helping engineers solve challenges quickly and efficiently. Combined with extensive stockholding and responsive customer service, PVL provides more than products. They provide complete process solutions. From industrial plastics and process control equipment to flow measurement and liquid-level monitoring, PVL continues to support industry with dependable products and expert advice. To discover the complete range and learn how PVL can support your next project, visit pvl.co.uk today.